In this video, I'm going to show you how to track views in Gamma app step by step, so you can see how your shared or published projects are performing. Whether you're using Gamma for presentations, documents, or client work, checking your views and engagement data can help you understand what's working and what's getting attention. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open gamma.app in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you need to open the Gamma project that you have already shared or published. This is important because analytics and view tracking usually apply to content that other people can access, not just drafts sitting in your workspace. After you open the project, look around the menu or top options for something labeled Analytics, Insights, or a similar performance section. Gamma may place this in a Settings panel, a Share menu, or inside the project dashboard depending on your layout and account type. Go ahead and click into the Analytics section when you find it. Inside this area, you should be able to see the number of views, visits, or other engagement data related to your Gamma project. In some cases, you may also see extra metrics like how people interacted with the content, which gives you a better idea of how effective your presentation or page is. If you only see limited information, that still helps, because even basic view counts can tell you whether your project is being seen after you share it. If Analytics does not appear at all, don't worry just yet. The next thing you should check is whether your Gamma plan supports Analytics or view tracking. Some features may only be available on certain plans, so if you are using a free version or a lower tier account, that could be the reason you don't see the full performance tools. In that case, you may need to upgrade, switch plans, or check Gamma's current feature availability for your account. Once you've reviewed your view data, you can use it to decide whether your project needs a stronger title, a better share message, or even updated content to improve engagement. That's one of the biggest benefits of tracking views in Gamma. It gives you real feedback on how your work is performing, instead of guessing. And that's it. Now you know how to track views in Gamma app, and where to look if the Analytics section isn't showing up. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.